In this video, I'm going to explain how to utilize Woody's discount codes online upon Racer sponsorship acceptance. You must apply at www.woodystraction.com/racing/sponsorship application and fill out the application at the bottom of the page in order to be eligible for sponsorship and discount codes. The first step of utilizing the Racer discount codes is heading over to woodystraction.com. Step 2. Add all of your competition products to your cart. We are trying to add popular race products every season. Let us know if there's anything you need that is not found on the website. Step 3. Go to the website cart. Step 4. Open the Racer email acceptance you received and copy and paste your coupon or coupons into the coupon text box. Click Apply for each coupon. Copying and pasting is more accurate than typing the coupon yourself. Each order will deduct from a store credit coupon until it reaches $0 or expires at the end of the race season. Step 5. Check that all your coupons have been applied correctly. Step 6. Check out and enter any necessary payment information. If you have any questions, please email us at teamwoodies@wiem.com or call us Monday through Thursday, 8 a.m. through 4:30 Eastern Time at 989-689-4911.